already I have discussed about if-else statements in previous topic. So today I will discuss about switch statement. So we can say it's a mutually branch of statements, and it can provide an easy way to dispatch executions. Basically, we have to say that it's a control statement that allows the value to change controls of executions. Okay, so start. So I have to show you first the switch case syntax. So we can see here the switch. This is the switch, and my value, it's a set of value, and this statement is a case. Case value is if value is 1, so print here, and if this is not, value is 1, so break. And the next case, match with the my value. If my value is 2, value 2, if case is my value 2, print here, and then break. If the two value are not matched, value 1 or value 2, so it's show the default value. The default value is here, the print default. Okay, this is the syntax. So next I will show you with a small project how to work the switch statements. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so today we had start a new program with switch case statement. So now I start the new small project using switch case. I think you can understand, and it's easy for you if you see it. So right now name this project switch. And the language we are using in Swift. Next, so I save this project on create and save. So main storyboard. It's a graphical user, and wait, storyboard is open. Now I will take label and text field and then a button. So now I'll take a button. Okay, and label and text field. Okay, connect with outlets and set delegate. Label name is LBL text. Connect and text field txt name. Okay, and last the button action. Button action name is button action switch. Okay, change this button name is switch. No, not switch. Button name is check. Okay. Okay. So the view controller where we can write the code. I will take the variable var and variable name my laptop. Okay. Or anything. If you want, you can change this name. So the variable types is the string. So now I am take the text field value with this string within this string. Okay, my laptop equals to string the text field which name is label text name dot text. Okay, print my laptop. Now I am using switch. So you can say this is the switch statement. So now the value name is my laptop. Okay, case 1. So first case I'm using this MacBook Air. If this MacBook Air it show print yes it's MacBook Air. Okay. Oh, there is lots of mistake. No, right now it's okay. Okay, break. And next case. So this is the first case, and I will gonna copy. Okay, paste, and just change this. And this condition is MacBook Pro. Yes, it's the MacBook Pro. Okay. And the next is the default. Default means if your two conditions is not match with these conditions, if it's not MacBook Air, if it's not MacBook Pro, it show the default code. The default code says I can write this message. There is no MacBook. Okay. And we can use the breakpoint. Sorry, break statement. So let's run this code on the simulator. Which simulator I'm using? This is iPhone 8. So I will change this simulator. This is iPhone 8. Oh, last I forgot this. So which case I'm using this? Yes, it's MacBook Air, or yes, it's MacBook Pro, and there is no MacBook. So I have to show this project there is level. So the level is this. So I have to connect this level. So level text. Okay. I will copy this message. Okay. Right. So and next. Next. Okay. This is the default value. So now run this program, or I think you understand what will happen. We have to say this. So we can see that build is succeed. Okay. Okay. Now I am print MacBook Pro. So the second condition is the MacBook Pro. Okay. Now I am entered MacBook Pro and check. I can see here the message is yes, it's MacBook Pro. I mean this, it's MacBook Pro. Okay. So if I check MacBook Air, yes, it's MacBook Air. I think you understand. And the next, the default statement. If you default statements check, so if you change the MacBook name, etc., etc., I can write this SR. There is no MacBook. So the three case is working. Okay, I think you understand. Thank you.